Welcome to Trophy Taker Outdoors. I'm your host, Lee Sapiro. It's not just fishing. It's not just hunting. It's everything outdoors. Let's meet up with Jason Beard, a physically challenged hunter, and his KT team. Jason,
man.
How you doing, buddy?
Nice to meet you.
Terry,
Lee.
pleasure to meet you. I'm walking in front of a gun. Heath, how you doing? Hey, so I'm super excited. Just got here at Flat Creek Lodge in Georgia. Let me tell you something. You ready to blow something down?
Definitely.
Hey, Heath, I appreciate you. Carrie, thank you for coming out here. We're gonna do some hunting today. This is the first day. I'm super excited. Beautiful place. We need some backstraps tonight, don't we?
Well, I come for big horn.
Oh, he's got. No doubt, no doubt. You guys stay tuned. Trophy Taker Outdoors. Trophy Taker Outdoors, we're out here at Flat Creek Lodge, and I've got Wes, Heath, Carrie, Jason, and Miss Charlene. You know, this is great for, introducing families that want to get into the outdoors. And we got Mr. Jason. How you doing?
Great. How are you?
Yeah, you're going to tell us about the KT?
Yeah, the KT team. Me and my buddy KT, we started a non-profit to take other physically challenged individuals like myself hunting. I've been lucky to have a good friend like KT to take me for 15 years or so. It's a little different hunting. The passion's still there, it's just as fun. But you need a little help, because it isn't just me and KT. When I do get a turkey or a deer, it's a pretty cool experience for everyone, And that's what we want to share with others.
For me, it's an inspiration to see somebody like you do what you do.
Well, I can't take all the credit. Good Lord sort of blessed me with that strength, and it makes it kind of easy for me, to tell you the truth. Blessed me with amazing people around me.
I know Heath loves you to death, and he wants to make sure that we get your name out there and get the KT team out and get the word out so we can get other hunters like that out there hunting.
A lot of people like Jason
Yeah.
don't realize they can do that.
He inspires me. He came and talked to my son's football team. I'm just proud to be his friend.
Jason's not handicapped.
No.
He's physically challenged.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, that's
Slightly
the way
mentally challenged.
You have great life in you, and like I said, you're a huge inspiration. And you know what? I tell you what, you guys sound like you guys have some fun out
We
there.
do.
Charlene, what about getting them down there doing an Osceola hunt?
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Now, we want to start a Grand Slam, so
Oh, that would be
Let's do it.
Yeah,
Sure.
absolutely. That would be awesome. So, well, I tell you what, it's getting to be that
It's time to hunt.
Let's go do some hunting.
Wes has got us a good spot picked out. And we done.
Yeah, Wes, thank you. Appreciate it, buddy.
Let's hunt.
Go Jim.
My favorite part.
So I grab Charlene and head out to the range just to make sure she's still sighted in. What did he ask you?
Am I a good shot?
Okay.
And the answer to that question is yes.
All right, so this is great because I'm documenting every moment
Good.
of this. I'm documenting this.
Good.
All right.
Absolutely. We're here at Flat Creek Lodge, and I'm on my way to the stand for this afternoon's hunt. If big buck or not, I want some meat, so something's going to the ground. It's about 49 degrees. We saw a couple of does before first light. Hopefully we're going to get us a big buck coming in. Saw a little 4-point come in. Just not a lot going on.
Trapper never saw anything bigger than that 4-point, so he ended up taking a doe. So now let's visit our friend Robert. Hanging Rock Plantation, right here. Is it Millen?
Yeah, Millen.
Millen, Georgia. And we're here with Robert Jenkins.
Yeah, we sell feed in 14 different states, and we've got 5 different brands of feed that we've got out. And we've set up an actual feeding program that starts in January, goes all the way through the season that you use. One of the things that we try to emphasize to people is that corn is not the best thing to feed deer.
Right.
It burns that rumen up and it hinders what you're doing with your deer trying to grow big racks. Just came up with a new feed that's got an ingredient in it that actually a lot of people was skeptic about it, but we repel the midge fly. It's causing blue tongue in deer. And
Right.
we have shown people that it works. In Alabama, a lot of the high fences are using it, and it's just not, the flies are just getting away from the deer and they're not causing them to get blue tongue. And that's been a big, breakthrough
Right.
that we've got, what we developed.
How can they get a hold of the product?
They can just contact us or look on the website at meadowsedge.com.
Robert, we appreciate it. You have a beautiful facility here, and we really don't want to leave. We got to leave tomorrow, though,
Yeah,
but we
yeah.
really don't want to leave. But
I
it's
appreciate
absolutely
it.
beautiful, and
Yeah.
thank you for having us. Let's talk about Flat Creek Lodge. Beautiful place. This is the original spot that we started at, and
Right.
beautiful place. I mean, absolutely beautiful. Tell us a little bit about the lodge itself.
Flat Creek, there's 12 bedrooms in the main lodge. There's 8 cottages. There's over 42,000 square feet of heated space at Flat Creek. Beautiful ponds, beautiful setting. Roughly 305 acres left with the lodge itself. We're really looking for the right person. My idea was, and this is kind of off base, but the opioid problem we have in America, I thought it would make a great rehab facility. I also think it would make a good place for wounded warriors or disabled people to come in. Or it could be used as a bed and breakfast type deal,
Sure could.
in a heartbeat. People enjoy coming out there and just living the experience. The owners are very into trying to turn it into something for the good of the community,
Right.
the county, and the state. So whether it be a bed and breakfast or some sort of facility to help people that are having problems in their lives, the restaurant there is a great facility to just have events or run it as a restaurant.
It really does. It's a beautiful place. It has the potential for a lot of things: fishing, hunting, sporting plays.
It's just finding that perfect buyer.
Well, I want to thank Wes. If you want more information, get a hold of Heath Thompson at Whitetail Properties. You can go to our Facebook page or our TrophyTakerOutdoors.com website and find this guy, because I promise you, he's going to find you something.
We'll help y'all out. We'll do whatever we have to do to make your dreams come true as well as purpose.
Absolutely. Well, brother, we appreciate it.
Thank
you
you.
again. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Charlene and I head out with Robert Jenkins to get set up in a ground blind so we can do a little doe management.
groceries. Damn, girl. You didn't wait.
She didn't wait a bit of time. Gotta put my fingers in my ears. It's like, golly, she's taking her time. Boom. I was like, okay. Well, we're gonna be ready. How we can clean that?
I wanted to make sure she turned just the right way.
I got wondering if you was okay where you was at. I was like, okay. She was all right.
Good job. Good job.
I thought I missed her.
No, you didn't miss her. Hey, you did hit that shoulder. Yeah, you was a little bit low. You just shot her right along there, but that's a good shot.
At first we saw 2 and then there was 3 and before
Yeah,
we knew
just
it there was 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, they kept coming and coming and coming and starting to load up.
Needed some deer meat, so
That's good.
she was the one.
Yeah, good management. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank
Got you some
you.
meat.
Thank you. Yes.
All right.
We came to Georgia here at Hang Rock Plantation, and we were hoping to get a big buck. Just didn't work out. The weather was a little off, and we ended up just needing to get some meat for our freezer and help Robert with a little doe management. And we got this beautiful doe here. We're super excited. If you would like to have more information on this episode, please go to trophytakeroutdoors.com.
We get Jason set up first in a special blind, and hopefully he sees that big buck. All right, Jason, this is it right here, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Fixing to happen. Now tell me a little bit about what you got going on here. What are you shooting?
Shooting a 30-06. It's mounted to a shooting rest, which I control here.
Okay.
It's got joystick for the right,
Turn left.
up and down, and then sipping buck. I actually just sip on it because trigger that solenoid that pulls the trigger.
Gotcha. Now, and I saw before you can also even adjust it up and down.
Yeah, that's
On your chair.
It's bolted to my chair, so I usually
It takes you seconds for you to kind of.
yeah.
Yeah.
If
You got some practice
if,
in this.
If the deer stop just a little bit, I can get on.
You can get on.
I don't like to shoot a deer running. Now, turkey, I will.
I know you will. We're ready to do some hunting.
Cool tip. I'm with my buddy Kerry Terrell. We're out on the 4th hunt with the KT team. Heath Thompson with Whitetail Properties has put us on an amazing spot on Flat Creek Lodge. We're doing a film hunt with Trophy Taker Outdoors. We're hunting a rye patch on the edge of some planted pines. It's a really nice spot. Might be the spot for the next big buck down. Yeah, baby. Ah! Woo! Yes. We won't track that one far. Ah! Yeah, Woo! Big buck down. Big buck down.
About a 6 or 7 big old thick horns, you know. See right there, Jason, he went
Yeah.
52.5
52
yards and he stopped. It shows him trees.
trees.
So he's at the deer.
He's got him.
He's eating him right now. So I'm gonna go out in there and see if I can get the deer and bring him back.
Good job, Taz. He didn't run with 50 yards.
50 yards. All right, y'all, I'll be right back.
We got a buck down. Taz has found him. We on the retrieve now. Nice morning, beautiful morning. Little cool. I'm ready to see this buck. We got another buck down. Oh yeah.
That's heavy, ain't it?
Hot dog. Ah. Go ahead. He needed you.
Yeah.
I'll make a good shot on. Really?
I mean, it's through the lungs.
I mean,
He made a good shot on him, but he run off. And we went and got our other team member,
oh yeah.
Mr. Taz, and he went there and found him in a swamp over there. I like it better when you drop him in the tracks like you done.
We had to track him a little way.
Yeah.
What was it, 51 yards?
51 yards is what he went. Taz, that
Went
makes.
straight to it.
Yeah, this is about 26, 27 deer he's found in the last 3 years.
Wow.
He's
He's
a
good.
valuable tool. But this deer was looking for does. He come in here where we feeding these deer and just was gonna walk through and go right on, but we need to take him out.
Absolutely.
Charlene, Trapper, and I set out to get some big bucks in Georgia, but instead, we ended up meeting and making some great new friends. It truly is a blessing meeting Jason and the KT team, and how fortunate we are to be in the presence of great people. We all love the outdoors, and it's not always about the hunt, but about the experience. And remember, take a kid hunting or fishing, and until next time, God bless fishing in camo.